Total Human Complete Supplement Packs Review. Worth the price? Today I tested it out and here's what happened. And if you've been wondering whether these daily supplement packs are actually worth the investment, this will help you decide quickly and clearly. Total Human is designed as an all-in-one daily supplement system. Instead of buying separate bottles for different needs, you get pre-sorted day and night packs. The daytime pack focuses on energy, focus, and general performance. The nighttime pack is built around recovery, relaxation, and overall wellness support. The idea is simple. Take the morning pack with breakfast, take the evening pack later in the day, and stay consistent. Getting started is easy. Open a pack, take the capsules with water, and repeat daily. There's no measuring, no mixing powders, and no guessing what to combine. That convenience is one of the biggest selling points. For people who want structure without managing multiple products, it simplifies the routine. In everyday use, the most noticeable effect for many users tends to be mental clarity and steady energy during the day. The focus support feels gradual rather than intense, which can make it easier to stay productive without feeling overstimulated. The nighttime pack is designed to support relaxation and recovery, helping you wind down more smoothly at the end of the day. The formula includes a wide range of ingredients aimed at brain support, immune health, joint support, and overall performance. It attempts to cover many areas at once, which is why it comes in multiple capsules per pack. That also means the pill count is higher than a standard multivitamin, which may not appeal to everyone. Price is where the biggest question comes in. Total Human is positioned as a premium supplement system. If you compare it to buying individual supplements separately, the cost may be justified for convenience and brand formulation. However, if budget is your main concern, assembling your own basic vitamin stack could cost less. It is important to remember that supplements work best alongside proper sleep, balanced nutrition, and regular exercise. This system supports those habits but does not replace them. Results also vary depending on lifestyle and consistency. So is it worth the price? If you value convenience, structured daily packs, and broad wellness support in one system, it can be a practical choice. If you prefer a minimal supplement routine or are focused strictly on budget, you may want to compare alternatives first. The decision ultimately depends on how much you value simplicity and comprehensive coverage in your daily routine.